So on this video I'm going to show you um, I had a problem in this car, and this is a 1999 SLK, and the problem was that it was cutting off the engine in like 15 to 20 minutes. The engine was cutting off. So what I do is I take this relay. This is the K40 relay, so I replace it. I put a new one, which you can see I got a new one in there. I open it to see if it was okay working. So I replaced the relay. Most of the time this is the common problem right here. You have to solder this wire, this again. You have to solder it. So my problem was that it was cutting off the engine, and what I do is I've been working on this car for like 4 days. So here's the crankshaft sensor. So the crankshaft sensor, it was cutting off the engine. So if you have this problem, most of the time it is the K40 relay, but in this case it was the crankshaft position sensor. So if you face into the engine, like facing to the engine, the crankshaft position sensor is on this side, on the intake side. So in this corner is the crankshaft sensor down there. So you take that one out and put a new one in, and the engine been running since that. And I changed it like 50 minutes ago, and the engine is still running fine. So that was my problem, and I hope this video helps somebody out there. So 1999 SLK, the crankshaft position sensor was the problem. Check your K40 relay first, make sure it's good, and then you can go for the crankshaft sensor if you still have the same problem. And I hope this video helps somebody. Thank you for looking at the video, and give me a like and subscribe if you like it.